Hello, today I'm going to talk about the IKEA CHOSIGT funnel. So I don't know if that's how you say it, but hopefully I was close. So it comes in a set of two funnels. One of them is bigger, one of them is smaller. I have the red ones, and they came zip tied together. So now they're not, obviously, but they still have that hole, and you can hang them up if you want to, or just use them as a way of holding them or storage. So having a hole, I think, is nice a lot of the time when it comes to these types of kitchenware, because they're easier to store and it's more creative. And IKEA is known for its creative designs and storage methods. They think outside the box. Funnels are used in cooking and are basically an essential kitchen item. I used to, unfortunately, use paper, and I would roll it into some kind of cone and then try to funnel things through there, but I figured it was just best to just get a funnel. Finally, just go for it. Also, I am a juicer, and I like to pour my juice into a bottle, and doing that without a funnel is super difficult and very tricky, and I'm terrible at aiming. So funnels are very important to me. The material is polypropylene and no bisphenol A added. So if you're concerned about bisphenol A, then you must know that it doesn't have that. The sizes in diameter 3 inches, and then in height this is 4 inches. And this one in diameter is 5 inches, and this one in height is 6 inches. They are dishwasher safe. They're sturdy, and I really like the design. It's like this rounded shape, like this dome, and then it has the very narrow spout here. And what's nice also about these is that you can hang them over a bowl or a container with this hook area, so that's nice as well. It's a cool addition, fun design. They're really lightweight, and they're very straightforward, and I really like how contemporary they look. They don't just look like a triangle. They just have a really cool, fun design. Leave it to IKEA for that. I love IKEA, and I was actually shopping around for funnels, and I came across these, and I was like, yes, I'm gonna get them. I bought them about 2 months ago, and as you can see, they're in pretty good condition. They've lasted, and they're very shiny inside, and they just seem to be in really good shape. I don't use them every single day though, but I can tell you that they are doing really well, and they've withstood a lot of heat. So you don't have to worry about a crappy plastic or them melting in any way. I keep them in my kitchen. I hang them up. And they're made in China, but IKEA is a Swedish company that is best known for its furniture, and it's pretty solid material. So I would definitely look into these. It's really nice. You can't take it around with you. These are meant to be in your kitchen, and they definitely, I've dropped them a few times and they don't break, so it's not that kind of plastic. It doesn't shatter. They're just really sturdy and solid, and yeah, so they have a lot of depth to them. So I would check them out, and definitely check out IKEA products. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it was useful to you.